Hello and welcome everyone. Today we will do some question from comparing quantities of class 8. Let's start with the first question. The first question is given. Find the ratio of the following. Speed of a cycle 15 km per hour to the speed of a scooter 30 km per hour. So you just have to find the ratio. So ratio speed of cycle and speed of scooter. And speed of scooter. Speed of cycle is given 15 km per hour. 15 km per hour. And scooter is given 30 km per hour. So we have to change into simplest form. So we can cancel it. So this will be 15 1s are 15 2s are. So 1/2. So the ratio is 1:2. We'll do the next question. Next question is given 5 meter to 10 kilometer. So ratio 5 meter to 10 kilometer. Now you see this is given in meter and this is given in kilometer. The units should be same. Okay. So we have to convert kilometer into the meter. We will always convert it into simplest form, so the smallest one. So what we'll do, 5 10 into, it is given 10 kilometer. So if you want to change into meter, we have to multiply by 1000. So this can be 2. So 1/2000. So ratio will be 1:2000. Our third question is given. 50 paisa to rupees 5. So ratio 50 paisa to 5 rupees. So we'll change rupees into the simplest form, that is paisa. So 5 into, in 1 rupees how many paisa? 100 paisa. So we multiply by 100. So it will be cancelled. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. So this will be 1 into 10 is 10. So ratio will be 1:10. Move to next question. Next question is given. Convert the following ratio to percentage. So it is given 3:4. 3:4. So you have to convert it into percentage. So what will do? Percent equals to 3/4. So if you want to change any ratio or fraction into percentage, we always multiply by 100. So whenever you have to change to percentage, you multiply by 100. So you can cancel it. 4 1s are 4, 4, 25. 25 into 3 is 75. 75 divided by 1, 75. So 75%. Fine. See the next one. It is given 2:3. So percent equals 2/3 into 100. You cannot cancel it. So if you multiply, it will be 200/3. So if you divide, you will get 6, 18 again 6.66%. This will be the percent. Fine. Next, move to the third question. The third question is given. 72% of 25 students are good in maths. How many are not good in maths? So you have to find out how many are not good in maths. 72% of 25 students are good in maths. Not good in maths, 100 minus 72. So we will find total number of students equals to 25. Percent of student good in maths is 72%. Percent of student not good in maths will be 100 minus 72. So this will be 28%. 28% students are not good in maths. Okay, so we have to find the number of students, right? So number of student is equals to 28% of 25. So 28 by percentage, it is given in percentage. So once you take out percentage, it's mean it divide by 100. Percent mean divide by 100. Okay. So 28 by 100 of mean multiply. This is 25. So we can directly cancel 25 ones are 25 fours are 100. So 4 sevens are. So 7 student. So number of student not good in maths are 7. Number of student not good in maths. Okay. Number of student not good in maths equals to 28% of 25, and that is equals to 7 students. Fine. Our next question is given: a football team won 10 matches out of the total number of matches they played. If their win percentage was 40%, then how many matches did they play in all? Now here it is saying they won 10 matches, and that is equals to 40%, isn't it? 10 matches out of total, and that is equal to 40%. So 40% is equals to 10 matches. So number of matches team won equals to 10% of match equals to 40%. Okay, this is given. Now we don't know what is the total number of matches they played. So let's take it as X. Let the total number of matches be X. Now out of total 40%, that is equals to 10 matches. So according to question, 40% of the total matches they played, and that is equals to 10 matches they won. Okay, so 40% they won actually, right? So 40% mean 40 by 100 into X equals to 10. So if you take this one to the other side, you can cancel it here. If you take this one to the other side, it will be X 10 into this will get reciprocal. So this will 10 will go up and 4 will be in the denominator. 5 2 5 again 2 5 so X equals to 25. So there was total number of matches 25. Okay, out of that they have won 40%, and that is equals to 10 match. Our next question is given: if Chameli had 600 rupees left after spending 75% of her money, how much did she have in the beginning? So in the beginning, how much did she have? So let's find it out. Let the total amount of money she had be X. We take it as X. Money left with her equals to rupees 600. Okay. Percent of money she spent equals to 75%. So we have to find percent of money that is saved. So percent of money she saved or left equals to 100 minus 75, that is 25%. 25% money is saved or left, and 25% is equals to 600 rupees. Is it? Out of 100 she spent 75%, and she left 25% money, and that 25% is equals to 600. Okay, now what we'll do, now according to question we'll write 25% of x equals to 600, or 25% that is equals to 600, right? So 25% of total amount is equals to 600. So 25 we can change 100 into x equals to 600. So this can be cancelled. 25 ones are 25 fours are, isn't it? Now this is x by 4 equals to 600. If you take this one to the other side, x will become 4 into 600, and that is equals to 2400 rupees. So the total amount was 2400 rupees. Our last question from exercise 8.1 of class 8 is, if 60% people in a city like cricket, 30% like football, and the remaining like other games, then what percent of the people like the other game? If the total number of people are 50 lakh, find the exact number who like each type of game. You have to find all different type of people who like different games. Okay, so we'll find the first one is given, people like cricket. People like cricket equals to 60%. People like football equals to 30%. People like this game equals to 100 minus 60 plus 30. 60 plus 30%. So 100 minus this will be 90. So this will be 10%. So 10% people like other game. Okay, so we'll find one by one how many people like cricket, how many people like football and others game. So total number of people is given 50 lakh. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total number of people is 50 lakh. So you have to find the number of people who like cricket. People like cricket equals to 60% of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this will be 60 by 100 into 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 20 cancel. 6 5s are 30. Then after that, how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 10, 100, 1000. So 30 lakh. So 30 lakh people like cricket. Now we'll find how many people like football. So number of people who like football is 30% of 50 lakh. 4, 5, 6, 7. So this can be written as 30 by 100 into 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 20 cancel. 5 3s are 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this much mean 15 lakh people like football. Now we'll find the number of people who like others game. Next we'll find the number of people who like other game, that is 10%. We got 10%, right? So 10% of 50 lakh. So this can be written as 10 by 100 into 3, 4. So 0, 0. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. It will be 5 lakh. So 5 lakh who like others game. Okay. So that's all from this exercise from 8.1. In my next video, I'll do 8.2. Okay. Thank you so much for watching.